To use NordVPN with OpenVPN, follow these steps. Install OpenVPN. First, download and install the OpenVPN client for your device. You can find it on the OpenVPN website. Follow the installation instructions for Windows, macOS, or Linux based on your device. Download NordVPN configuration files. Log into your NordVPN account on the website. Go to the download section and choose manual setup from the menu. Under OpenVPN configuration files, select the server location you want to connect to. Configure OpenVPN with NordVPN. After downloading the configuration files, extract them to a folder on your device. Open the OpenVPN client and import the server configuration file for your chosen server. Connect to NordVPN via OpenVPN. In the OpenVPN client, select the configuration file you just imported. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your NordVPN credentials. Once connected, your internet traffic will be routed through NordVPN secure servers. Verify connection. You can check your new IP and location by visiting whatismyip.com to ensure you're connected through NordVPN.